Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. In Denmark it is time for fastelavn, where we make some delicious fastelavnsboller or fastelavns buns. I'm going to cheat a little bit today. I showed you guys a while back how to make some normal fastelavnsboller with a homemade dough. Today I'm going to cheat a little bit using some store-bought puff pastry and bake them in a muffin form so the custard don't come out. And inside there is of course a homemade vanilla custard because it is so delicious. And yeah, they are just easy, yummy, and just such a good treat for your guests. So let's get started. First up, I have to make my delicious homemade vanilla custard. In a pot, I'm going to add in some whole milk, sugar, cornstarch, 1 egg yolk, and some good quality vanilla extract. Just strain it once in a while, and at some point it will start to bubble and then it will start to thicken up. Just let it bubble for around 5 to 10 seconds and then take it off the heat. Then you have a delicious thick vanilla custard. I'm going to use 2 sheets of puff pastry for this recipe, and I just have these 2 cookie cutters here. One is a bit larger than the other one. The large one is for the base in the muffin tin, and then the other one is for the top of my little muffins here. But I'm just going to cut, so I have 12 of these and 12 of the small ones. I didn't have enough puff pastry to make 12 of the small ones, so 2 of my little muffins here are going to be a little bit rustic with the leftover of my puff pastry. Just add in the large circle in the base of my muffin forms. I'm going to use some good marcipan. You might call it almond paste where you come from. But some good marcipan, just cut a nice piece and place in the bottom of these. Then on top with a good spoonful of my vanilla custard, but be careful not to add in too much. All I have to do now is just to add the small circle of puff pastry on top of them all, and just squeeze the 2 pieces of puff pastry together and brush them all with some lightly whisked egg. My oven is already at 180 degrees C convection oven, or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. Bake these bad boys in the oven for around 22 to 25 minutes, just until they are really nice and golden brown. Just let them cool down, and while they are cooling down, I'm going to make a very quick glaze or icing. When I do this, I don't ever measure. I just have a good portion of icing sugar, then some cocoa powder, and then just in with some water and stir until it has the consistency that I want. You can always add in more icing sugar, cocoa powder, or water until it has a flavor and consistency that you want. just add it to the top of these delicious Fastelavns muffins. After that, they are ready to be served. Let's dig in. That is so good, guys. That homemade custard with the marcipan or almond paste. It's so delicious, and then the chocolate glaze on top. Yeah. Give them a go. They are so easy to make, and all ingredients down below as always. And don't forget to subscribe so don't miss out on any videos. Bye!